Lesson 9, DUI Shatters Life, Myth versus Reality. What it really feels like to become a victim, one question at a time. Lesson 9, what happens at sentencing? Sentencing isn't just about the defendant, it's an important day for victims too. Hello, I'm Sarah, Kenley's mom. Many of you know me as Mama Bear. I'm not an attorney. I'm a victim and a mother sharing what I've learned after my son, Dr. Kenley Jean Rainey, was killed by a drunk driver. The lessons in this series grew out of my own experience after my son was killed. This lesson reflects my personal experience and is intended for educational purposes only. It is not legal advice. Law and procedures vary by state. My goal is to help you understand the criminal justice system, ask informed questions, and become an informed advocate for yourself and the person you love. Here's something I wish someone had told me the day my son was killed. Many victims believe sentencing is simply the day the judge announces the punishment. There is often much more to understand. Before sentencing, ask these questions. Will I be notified of the sentencing date and time? May I attend? That is your right. That is a victim's right. If my state's law allows, may I present a victim impact statement, a VIS, or address the court? Should I submit my victim impact statement in writing before sentencing? Will my written statement become part of the case file? If I have questions on sentencing day, who should I speak with? Every state has different laws and procedures. That's why it's important to understand how sentencing works where you live. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that the sentencing may be the last time many victims are involved in the courtroom before the case moves into another phase. Before you leave the courthouse, ask, what happens next? Who becomes my contact after sentencing? Will I need to register with another agency? Those important answers become very important later. Sentencing doesn't always mean the journey is over for many victims. It's the beginning of a new chapter. Ask your questions before you leave. Every victim's journey is different, but my hope is that what I learned can help you navigate yours. If sharing what I've learned helps even one victim find their way, then Kenley's legacy continues to make a difference. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to my video channel, DUI Shatters Lives, Myth versus Reality. This lesson answers one question. My YouTube channel answers the rest. Because every victim deserves a right to be informed. Thank you for watching. Join me for Lesson 10. What happens after sentencing?